First up, let's talk about the latest gadgets that you'll want to add to your collection. From the sleekest wireless earbuds that double as fitness trackers, to portable phone chargers with solar power, these gadgets are a mix of style, convenience, and tech savvy. Check out this multi-device charging station that keeps all your electronics organized and fully charged, perfect for your desk or bedside table. And for the fitness lovers out there, how about a smart water bottle that tracks your hydration levels and reminds you when it's time to drink? These are just a few of the amazing gadgets that can make your life smoother. What's your favorite so far? Now, let's dive into the world of smart home appliances. Say goodbye to mundane chores with these game-changing devices. Take a look at this smart fridge with a built-in touchscreen that helps you manage your grocery list, recommend recipes based on what's inside, and even stream your favorite cooking shows. Or check out this robotic vacuum cleaner that not only sweeps and mops your floors, but also maps out your home for maximum cleaning efficiency. And coffee lovers, meet the smart coffee maker that brews the perfect cup at the exact time you wake up, every morning. Talk about starting your day right. Quick tip, many of these smart appliances can be controlled by your smartphone or voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home, making them even more convenient. Moving on to the kitchen, we all know that cooking is way more fun and efficient when you have the right tools. Let's check out some must-have kitchen gadgets that will make you feel like a pro chef at home. First up, this automatic pan stirrer is perfect for those times when you're multitasking, but don't want your food to stick to the pan. And for those of you who love precision, the digital food thermometer ensures your meals are cooked to perfection every time. How about this multifunctional vegetable slicer that makes prepping your veggies faster and safer? With different blades and cutting styles, your salads and stir-fry will look like restaurant-quality meals. These tools will not only save you time, but also help you create tastier and healthier meals. What kitchen gadget do you think you need most? Keeping your home clean has never been easier thanks to these innovative cleaning tools. First, let's talk about this cordless electric mop that makes scrubbing floors a breeze. With its powerful motor and lightweight design, you'll be able to tackle any mess in record time. For deep cleaning, the UV light vacuum cleaner is a game changer. It sanitizes your surfaces while removing dust, pet hair, and allergens. And if you've been struggling with clutter, check out this clever portable storage system that helps you stay organized in style. These tools are perfect for making your home sparkle with minimal effort. Which one would make cleaning your home more fun? Last but definitely not least, let's look at some beauty gadgets that will elevate your self-care routine. The facial steamer is perfect for relaxing after a long day, opening your pores for better skincare product absorption. Or try this smart makeup mirror with built-in LED lighting and a skin analyzer. It's like having your own personal makeup artist and skincare expert in one. Don't forget about hair care either. This automatic curling iron lets you achieve flawless curls in minutes without damaging your hair. And for a spa-like experience at home, how about a foot massager that will make you feel pampered after a busy day? These beauty essentials are designed to keep you looking and feeling great every day. Which one would you add to your beauty routine? And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed checking out all these cool items, from cutting-edge gadgets to smart appliances, kitchen tools, and beauty must-haves. If you found something you liked, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay smart, stay stylish, and stay tuned.